Hello guys, thank you for all the viewers and all the people who subscribe to my channel. Since that we are just here in the house, I made some cooking videos. We'll make a very easy and very delicious recipe called stir-fry bean sprout. I've learned this recipe here in Japan, and if you want to know my version, just keep on watching. Let's start. First things first, we have to prepare all the ingredients. First, we need bean sprout, garlic leaves, brown clamshell mushroom, ginger, onion, and garlic. And for the flavor, we need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, sesame oil, and pork. And for the garnish, we need sesame seeds. So we are now ready. Prepare your fry pan and set your fire into medium heat. At this time, we have to spread our sesame oil into our fry pan. I really love sesame oil because it's add more aroma and taste. When it's already hot, we have to put our garlic. For me, I don't want to be my garlic too much brown in this recipe. So, let's give it a little bit stir. After the garlic turned to change, we have to put our pork. Stir the pork until it's already separated. At this time, we can now put our ginger and onion. Give it a stir again and wait until it became brown. At this point, our pork is changed into brown. And we can now put our soy sauce. Mix, mix, mix again. Next, I will put my favorite mushroom. After that, put the garlic leaves to add more flavor. And guys, this is important. Add sugar to make it sweet like me. my next video, we will make a Japanese gyoza or fried dumplings. So don't miss it! Thank you for watching, everyone. If you love my videos, just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for new videos. また今度のビデオでよろしくお願いします。じゃあね!